Welcome back to Inglês, Você. This week we will be reading a chapter a day from the book of Matthew, chapters 6 through 10. And our memory verse for this week is Genesis 50:20a. A means it's the first half of the verse. So, I love this verse. A lot of people call it the Romans 8:28 of the Old Testament. And here's how it goes. You meant it for evil, but God meant it for good. But of course, we don't say it so clear like that. We say it more like this. You meant it for evil, but God meant it for good. Whoa, let's break that down. So, we emphasize the words you and the word evil, the word God, the word good. So look how crazy this is. First of all, the word meant. If you say the word by itself, it's pronounced meant. But a lot of times when native speakers from North America say any word that ends with the letter T and the T comes after the letter N, the T tends to disappear, so it ends up sounding like the word men instead of meant. Yeah, like the plural of man. And then to add to the confusion, the word meant is followed by it. And when a word that ends with a consonant sound is followed by a word that begins with a vowel sound, they tend to join together. So men, it becomes minute. Yeah, just like the word minute, like longer than a second, shorter than an hour, minute. So you can say meant it, but what you will probably hear from native speakers is minute. You meant it for evil. These two join together. But God meant it for good. You meant it for evil, but God meant it for good. That's going to be our memory verse this week. We will review it every day after we read a chapter from Matthew. So keep up the good work. God bless you, and I'll see you tomorrow.